Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. If you're on YouTube, same name, TikTok, same name, and Instagram, LinkedIn, the same name, Lennox Bennett. And here is my contact 549-2161. Let's look at a few questions. First one says, what is the number of the parking space covered by the car in the series below? So here we have 4, 7, 12. 19, the car cover up a number, and then we have 39. All right, let us examine it, what's happening. All right, so we left from 4 to 7. It could be a plus 3. I'm not sure yet, but guess what? You can try, guys, right? Nothing wrong with trying. So we added 3 here, 4 and 3, 7. All right. What's the difference between this? What? 5. Okay. All right, let me see something. So it could be that they're adding 2 to the previous number. So that means if they add 7 here, it would be correct. And the difference between, yeah, that's it. All right. So that means for this one, they're going to add 9. So it's a 1, 9 and 9, 18. So it would have been 28. Parents, see the number here to contact me. 549-2161. If you call me and don't get me, WhatsApp me, all right? Phone get busy sometimes. Let's look at this one. It says the number in each diagram below follow the same rule. Use the first two diagrams to help find the missing number in the third diagram. So guys, what you have to do, focus on the first two. That can give you the clue to figure out what's the answer for the third one. All right, let us examine the numbers. So we have a 2 here, a 3 here, a 3 here, and they end up with 9. This is what? 3, 5, 3, and they end up with 18. So one thing is common is that they have a 3 right here. In all of them, they have a 3. That means whatever it is, it involves this particular tree, in my opinion. All right, let us see now. Did they add 2 and 5? 2 and 3 to get 5, 3, 5, 15? No. So I think they probably multiplied 2 times 3. Let's test that theory. 2 times 3 is 6. And then they added the 3. But before you get excited, guys, please ensure that you actually test the others. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same process and see if I get what's inside here. All right, so 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 3, 18. All right, cool. So what I know now, I know they multiplied a number by 7, then add 3, and that gave the answer. So let us do the opposite of that. So because this we originally added 3, we're going to be working the inverse or the backward. So what we're going to do, we're going to subtract 3. So it's going to be 38 minus the 3, which gives us 35. What this now means, it means that a number multiplied by 7 gave them 35. Now 35, we're going to do the opposite, which is divide. All right, so it's a very nice question, you know. So it would have been 5. And you can try again. 5 3 is 15. No, 5 7, 35 plus the 3 would give us that. So the answer we're looking for would have been D. Hit that like button if you have not. If you have not followed me on TikTok, you need to do so now. All right, it says examine the first two rows in the pattern below to determine the number to replace the question mark. So we have 0 end up with 0. 1, they end up with 1 over 3. So now we have 3. What could be that pattern? So 0 and 0. Could it be the multiplying by 0? No, because 1 times 0 would have been 0. So could it be that for the first one, because this makes sense, you know, 0 over 3 is equal to 0. Yeah, I think it's that, right? And 1 over 3 is 1/3. That means for the final one, it would have been 3 over 3, which is the same as 1. All right, let's go. All right, this says now if this represents this, then this represents what? All right, so let's examine it first. So 4 of them give you a quarter, right? A quarter of it. So let us see how many now. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have a total of 16. That is the denominator. You can just look and see what's happening first. Nothing wrong with trying, right? Always be willing to the trial and error, guys, and then you figure it out. All right, parents, get the children into the class so they can ace their mental ability. All right, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a half, you know. It's a half. So that means it will be a half of this because if 4 of this give you this, that means 8 is gonna give you a half. So I don't see the oh yeah A. So that was very easy. Hit the like button, hit the favorite button. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you need to go there now. If you're not on my TikTok, you need to go there as well. All right, look at this one now. So it says, so what, the cock. The cock and the kitten weighs 8 kilogram. The cock and the dog weighs 16 kilogram. And the dog and the cat weighs 20 kilogram. What would the dog, the cat, and all of them weigh? I'm going to set up some little equation because you guys need to learn these from now, you know. So we'll call the cock. We say the cock is C. No. So cock plus that's our cat equal to 8. All right. So the dog plus the dog plus the cock is equal to 16. And the next one, the dog plus the cat is equal to 20. All right, let's form some. So we form the equations. Let us see which one is common. So dog, cat. So that means I can use these two to form one. So I know that the cock plus the cat is equal to 8, and I also know the dog plus the cock is equal to 16. So if I can figure out, hold on, answer that call. All right, guys, I'm back. So let's reason it out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm actually gonna use these two. Can't use any two, you know, to form it, but I'm gonna use these two. So I'm gonna use the cock plus the cat plus the dog plus the cock, and I'm gonna get whatever. So let me do it. So let me call this one cock plus the cat plus the dog plus again cock. All right, cool. Because I need to figure out one. Once I figure out for one, I can get it. But because we added the 4 of them, right? This plus this equal 8, this plus this. That means I'm going to add the 8 and the 16 to give me a total of 24 now. Because I added everything. So it's all 4 of them are added, right? So I could form some equations and shut it up, as the Jamaicans would say. All right, so let's just look at this equation now. I want it in one line. So boom, we have cock and cock, right? So we're going to say 2 cock plus the cat plus the dog, and that is equal to 24. But look what we have over here. We know that the dog plus the cat, so this dog on the plot is equal to 20. So that means out of this 24, the remainder would be the 2 cock. So let's say that the 2 cock is equal to 24 minus the 20 because that's what the cat weighs. The cat and the dog weighs, right? All right, cool. So that I gonna leave 2 cock is equal to 4. So 1 cock now is equal to 4 divided by 2. What's 4 divided by 2? That is 2. So once we know what 1 cock weigh, we know what to do now. So let us substitute now. So since we know that we are saying that this weighs 2, that means whatever this weight, you add it to that to get 8. So only 6 could be added to 2 to give you 8. All right, so the cat should be 6. All right, I could see that one here now. I could test the theory first. The cockatoo. So if the cockatoo, it means that the dog would be 16 minus the 2, which is 14. All right, we can test it for this one. We got the dog to be 14. We got the cat to be 6. Yeah, that add on give you the 20. See it? Yeah, so that means this one is 2. So 22 then, because the one here are 6 and the one here are 14. So it would have been 22. But I hope you guys learn how to do it. So that's A, 22. Because this and this give you 20. And the one cock had it. A very nice question, though. A very nice question. All right. Sarah measured the length of her hand in centimeters. The length was between 11.5 to 11.6 centimeters. Which of the following could have been the length? And it should be between 11.5 and 11.6. All right. This don't reach 11.5. All right. I'm definitely going to go with B. This is too small and this is over. All right. Let's go again. See if we can get in one more. All right. Let's small up this, This looks too big, man. Hit the like button, guys. I have a clash shortly with some Canadians, I have to go end this. All right. Dana represented the coins he received in change from a grocery purchase on a chart below. All right. So first, who remember them money? This a $10. I'm sure about that. It's a 10. It's a 5. But you know, long me see money. Them kind here. People not give back $5, man. Alright, I could see how many $5. Cause we probably can take it from there. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have $6. This not have 6, so I'm gonna eliminate this. This have 7, so I'm gonna eliminate this. Alright, let me see which one have 6. Oh, 2 of them have 6, so I'm gonna have to go deeper. So the $20 is the one with the different. No, let me check the $10 now. Once we figure out the 10, anyone have six $10, that means that would be the answer. So we have one $10, two $10, three $10, four, five is actually 5 of them. So the one with 5 on the graph would be the correct one. So these are $10. So let me check again, good car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, cool. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What on there? Let me sort that $5, No, sir. What on there, guys? Let me sort the $5, 7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one more here makes 7. So these are actually 7. Let me see some bombies. Yeah, these are the answer. 7. These have 7. All right. Let me just double check though and see how many of them here. Let me just see if everything go good. These are 5, right? 5 of them. 5 $10. And I did get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I'm just for sure check the $20 if I 4 of them. which I think is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost made an error on it. Almost. So guys, you see, you have to look very carefully because I left off the one of the $5 by mistake. Good thing I'm going through all of them, right? Because I would have gotten it incorrect. So that means chart 2 would have been the correct response. Alright guys, I have to go end now. Let me see if I can get in one. I have a class shortly. Alright, it says use the diagram to answer the question. How many boxes did Mr. Williams deliver to the office? How are we to assume that these are all the boxes? Alright, let's just assume that these are all the boxes and I'm not carrying none yet. So this would have been 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of this is 4. For this one now, we have 5, 6, 7. 1 down there, so make 8. Plus you have 3. So 8 and 3, 11. I'm going to go with 11 for this one. Alright. So guys, for those who want to join the awesome class, please WhatsApp me on this number. It's at last year's Boys and Girls Championship. It was estimated that after National Stadium, seating capacity of 35,000 patrons were cheering for the KC team. Which of the following could not be the actual number of people cheering for the KC team? And it's 35,000, right? At last year's championship, it was estimated that half the national stadium, hold on. At last year's boys and girls championship, it was estimated that half the national stadium seating capacity of 35,000 patrons were cheering for the KC team. Which of the following could not be the actual number? All right, so half of 35 would have been 17.5, right? 17, yeah. That means 22,000 would have been the answer. That could not be. Which of the following, which is the best estimate for the length of a football field? 2 centimeter, 5 inches for football, not football. I think about 1 foot. Couldn't be 3 feet. 3 feet is like a meter. All right, guys. So we did 10 of them. Let me put my number for those persons who want to contact Lennox Bennett. 876-549-2161. WhatsApp me, guys. 876-549-2161. WhatsApp me. If you call me, you don't get me. I have many classes, so usually I'm on a class. All right. And sometimes it's very hard to call back everyone. So just do the right thing and WhatsApp me. All right. Don't explain it to me out, no doubt. And it can be specific. Just say which grade your child in and all of that. All right. I'm out. No doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube. Make sure you're on my TikTok. Same name. Lennox Minute. Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Same name.